Hi everyone. Pasta's great, but sometimes you want something a little different, so let's make this spinach spaetzle. Now let's jump right in and make our batter. We need 1 cup of spinach and a half cup plus an 1/8 cup of whole milk, and then puree it until smooth. We need 2 cups of flour, salt, nutmeg, black pepper, 4 whole eggs, and the spinach milk. And just use a spoon to mix everything together. And this is the consistency that you're looking for your batter. It should be pretty tight but still dripping. If your batter is a little loose, add a tablespoon of flour until you reach this consistency. When I worked in professional kitchens to make spaetzle, we would use a colander kind of like this over a big pot of boiling water. The holes on this are really small and this isn't going to make good spaetzle, so what I like to use is a cheese grater. This has the perfect size holes to make good looking spaetzle. To make the spaetzle, all you do is scoop up some of your batter and then push it through with a plastic spatula through the holes on the cheese grater. This is what you're looking for, little balls of dumpling batter. Once they float, let them cook for 30 more seconds, and then put them in ice water. Once they're cool, drain them off, and then we're going to toss them with some oil in a bowl. At this point, we can just put these in the fridge and wait until we're ready to cook them. I like to use Gruyere in my spaetzle, but any cheese that you like will work great for this. Start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of melted butter, then we're going to add our spaetzle to the pan. We want to push this down to make it one flat, even layer all the way across. Season it with some salt and pepper, and then just let it cook on one side until it gets nice golden brown. Then we're going to give it a big toss, and this is what you're looking for. It should be crispy but soft on one side. Add our cheese, give it a few tosses just so it's all mixed together, and then just let the cheese melt. Now we just need to plate up our spaetzle. I keep it simple, put it on a plate, some parsley leaves, a little bit of grated cheese on top. And I like to finish my spaetzle with this black olive salt. It just adds another layer of umami to the dish. This is one of those great comfort foods. It's buttery, cheesy, crunchy. It has everything that you're looking for. This is great by itself, or you can serve it as a side dish with dinner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop me a comment and let me know what dishes you want to see me make. See you next time.